preview.
Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club.
So today we are gonna draw a robin bird.
What is a robin bird?
Let's
Let's get started and see for yourself what is a robin bird. Will we need as always a Sharpie, black sketch pen or a pencil to do the outlines, and then we'll be coloring it.
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's get started. So the shape of the robin bird would be something like an egg, oval, and then we'll make the body. It's going to be a very easy drawing, which all of you can do it at your home. Try it for yourself and let us know how your drawing came out to be.
Yeah.
So how does the egg look like? A big egg, a huge one. See if the egg looks like this.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, and the beak. Okay. And the body. The legs. I guess we can have a bigger beak. The eyes. Okay, and now what do? We color it using the brown and orange color. Okay, let's get started. Are you done? Are you following us? Yes, I know you are. So let's get started with the coloring of the bird. Sitting on the branch of a tree.
Mine is something.
Sitting on the window.
No.
Then
In a cage.
in a cage.
Yeah.
Parikshit has drawn a robin bird sitting inside a cage, and I have drawn a robin bird sitting on the branch of a tree.
Yeah.
I hope you loved this drawing, and if you did, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @Kids Fun Learn Club and #Kids Fun Learn Club to win some exciting goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club. See you in the next video. Have a good and a wonderful day. Bye bye. Show us your drawings, Parikshit.
Yeah.
Let's see his drawing. Okay. So,
Bye
bye bye.